Michael Salon. It's Relic here. I'm making chicken korma, right, and I'm going to show you how to do this. This is the absolute bomb, this. Right, first thing you need to do, and this is probably the hardest thing you need to do, is you need 5 cardamom pods, and if you've got a blender, blitz them with them, and if you've not, you need a mortar and pestle. So you grind them or blend them until you've got all the seeds out, and you separate the husk. The husk is going in the bin, right? And when we've done that, we need some garlic. Right, the next job is peel and crush 4 cloves of garlic. So all we do is just put the garlic there. You want a flat blade and just press until it's crushed. You'll hear it pop. Yeah, we want 1 large onion, roughly chopped. Right, big pan, 2 tablespoons of good oil, and we're going to fry the onion until it's soft, and then start adding the chicken and the other spices. So I'm going to put in with the onion now, I'm going to put the cardamom pods in there, okay. Onion to bit of flavour. Right, while your onions are softening, measure out your spices. We want 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin, 1½ teaspoons of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and a teaspoon of coriander leaf ground, and a teaspoon of mild chilli. Okay. And here we've got 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and with that we're also going to add to this wonderful dish 50 grams of ground almonds. Okay. Right, it's going to get exciting now. I'm going to add here just 4½ chicken breasts, and I've cut the chicken breast into pieces, skinless chicken breast, 4 will do, and we're going to add them to the pan. Oh yeah. Right, we're going to add the crushed garlic. Got 1¼ inch of fresh ginger, then you want to mince it if you can, but I'm using ginger paste. There you go, look, ginger paste. That's for you, Harvey, ginger paste, top up for you, right. I'm going to put 4 spoonfuls of that in. 3 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons, okay. Right. After about 4 or 5 minutes, the chicken's sealed. We want to add the spices, okay? Stir the spices in. Stir it round until all the chicken's got a good coating of these spices. Okay, spices are starting to release now. It took about 4 minutes that. I'm just going to put a good pinch of salt in there. Now we're going to add 250 ml of chicken stock. We're
to add 200 ml of fresh cream, double cream that is. But it's not what not, as my grandmother said. We're going to add the almonds, ground almonds, last but not least the tomato puree. Okay. Give that a good mix and bring it to the boil, and then I'm going to simmer it. Get off. Okay. Stir everything in. Okay, we're going to bring it to the boil and then simmer it for 15 minutes until it's thickened a little bit.
Right then, 15 minutes are up. You can see it's reduced quite a lot now. The sauce is nice and thick, very creamy. The chicken just tastes amazing. Right, I'm going to serve this korma now with a portion of rice, 100 grams of freshly cooked rice, garnished with coriander and curried flatbreads with sultanas. It's a really good meal. Right viewers, as you can see I've garnished the korma with a little bit of coriander leaf, and I'm serving it with rice and curry flavoured flatbreads. It's pretty good.